Pre-flight preparation. Open the carrying case carefully to avoid any damage to the contents inside. Locate the remote controller and the drone within the carrying case. Next, carefully take out the drone from the carrying case, making sure not to apply pressure to the camera or manually move the camera's 3-axis gimbal. Once the drone is out of the case, unfold all of its arms slowly and ensure that they are fully extended. This step is crucial to prevent any unexpected crashes while flying. Find a level ground surface and place the drone on it. Take note of the LED lights gauge on the battery, as it indicates the real-time power level of the battery. Locate the power button on the drone and press it for approximately 5 seconds until the drone turns on. Wait for about 3 seconds before proceeding to the next step. Turn on the remote control by pressing its power button. Once the remote control is on, it will emit 3 beeps, and the green LED light in front of the drone should stay on, indicating a successful connection between the drone and the remote controller. Look for the gyro calibration button on the remote controller. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. As you do this, the LED light indicator of the rear and back arm of the drone will start to flash quickly and then stay on, accompanied by a beep sound from the remote controller. These signals indicate that the gyro calibration is successful. Locate the compass calibration button on the remote controller. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. You will hear a beep sound from the remote controller, and the LED light indicator of the rear arm of the drone will flash quickly, indicating that the compass calibration process has started. Position yourself facing the drone and slowly rotate it clockwise 3 times. As you do this, the rear red light indicator of the drone's arm will flash quickly and then stay on, accompanied by a beep from the remote controller. This signifies a successful calibration for the drone's facing direction. Now, face the drone towards the sky and slowly rotate it clockwise 3 times. This action will cause the back green light indicator of the drone's arm to flash quickly and then stay on, along with a beep from the remote controller. These signals confirm a successful compass calibration. Place the drone horizontally, facing you, and step away from it, maintaining a distance of 1 meter or more. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the drone to search for GPS signals. While waiting, keep an eye on the remote control. Once it beeps, and the drone remote control shows a GPS star count greater than 8, it indicates that the drone has obtained a sufficient GPS signal. Press and hold the unlock button on the remote controller for 3 seconds, or until the propellers start spinning. This action signifies that the drone is ready for flight. It's important to note that you should fly the drone in a wide-open outdoor area for safety. Additionally, for a better flying experience, ensure that the drone has more than 8 GPS signals before taking off. Please follow all safety guidelines and local regulations while operating the drone. To fly the drone indoors, switch to Mode 2. Press and hold the GPS button on the remote controller for 3 seconds. This action will activate the indoor optical flow mode and turn off the GPS. Please note that flying the drone indoors is not recommended for beginners to avoid potential crashes or damage to the drone. Connecting to the drone's application. Prepare the drone application by scanning the QR code provided in the app operating instructions. You can use any QR scanner application downloaded from your App Store. Example, App Store, Google Play Store, or search and install the LW Pro application directly. Turn off your mobile data to prevent interference, and then connect your phone to the drone using Wi-Fi. Follow these steps. A. Go to your phone's settings. B. Locate and select Wi-Fi. C. Look for the drone's Wi-Fi network name, which typically starts with VS GPS XX. This name should be listed among the available networks. Note: if you're unable to find the drone's Wi-Fi network name, try enabling and disabling your phone's Wi-Fi to refresh the network list. Once your phone is connected to the drone's Wi-Fi network, it's time to launch the LW Pro application. Follow these steps. A. Open the LW Pro application on your phone. B. Agree to the user agreement and privacy policy if prompted. C. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions when prompted. D. Press the Start button in the application. E. Wait for the drone's camera image to appear on your phone's screen. Once the image from the drone's camera appears on your phone's screen, it indicates that the drone application is ready for use. Now you can use the drone application to control the drone's flight and access additional features and settings. Please remember to exercise caution and fly the drone safely indoors, considering the limited space and potential obstacles. To operate the drone and perform basic functions, follow these instructions. 1. Unlock button. Press and hold the unlock button to unlock the propellers when you're ready to fly the drone. 2. Left throttle up. Push the left throttle stick upward to make the drone ascend and fly higher. 3. Left throttle down. Push the left throttle stick downward to make the drone descend and fly lower. 4. Left throttle left. Move the left throttle stick to the left to make the drone turn left. 5. Left throttle right. Move the left throttle stick to the right to make the drone turn right. 6. Right throttle up. Push the right throttle stick upward to make the drone fly forward. 7. Right throttle down. Push the right throttle stick downward to make the drone fly backward. 8. Right throttle left. Move the right throttle stick to the left to make the drone fly left sideward. 9. Right throttle right. Move the right throttle stick to the right to make the drone fly right sideward. 10. Speed button. By default, the drone operates in first gear mode. Press the speed button to switch to second gear mode. The remote controller will emit 2 beeps to indicate the mode change. Note that there are only 2 speed modes available. 11. Headless mode button. Press the headless mode button to activate headless mode. The remote controller will beep 3 times to indicate that headless mode is turned on. Press the button again to turn off headless mode, and it will beep once. 12. Return to home button. Press the Return to Home button, and the drone will automatically return to its initial takeoff position. Note that the Return to Home function requires GPS mode to be turned on. ESC lens functions. Camera adjusting knob. By adjusting the knob to the right, the camera will move downward, and by adjusting it to the left, the camera will move upward. The camera can be adjusted up to 120 degrees. Lens switch icon. This feature allows you to switch between the front camera and the bottom camera. MV making icon. Use this feature to edit videos and add music to them. Gesture photo video icon. Make a Y-shaped hand gesture to automatically take a photo after a 3-second countdown. A palm hand gesture is used to automatically start recording a video. Camera button. Press this button to take a photo. Video button. Press this button to start recording a video. Press it again to stop recording. Follow icon. This feature enables the drone to follow your mobile phone's GPS location. Waypoint flight icon. Use this feature to draw waypoints on the map. Once you click the send icon, the drone will fly according to the order of the waypoints you drew. Fly around icon. This feature allows the drone to fly around in either a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. Replacing and charging the battery. Battery charging. Connect the USB to micro USB charging cable to the battery and connect it to a 5V charger adapter or USB port. The LED light on the battery will stop flashing when it's fully charged. Charging time is approximately 200 minutes. It's recommended to use a fast 5V charger adapter for better performance. Remote control charging. Connect the USB to micro USB charging cable to the remote controller and connect it to a 5V charger adapter or USB port. The green LED indicating light will be on while charging and turn off when it's fully charged. Charging time is approximately 30 minutes. It's recommended to use a fast 5V charger adapter for better performance. Installation of drone blades. 1. Unscrew the screws and remove the existing drone blades. 2. Attach a propeller labeled A to any A motor and a propeller labeled B to any B motor. The specific number indicated in the propeller example, A1, A2, B1, B2, does not matter. 3. Once you replace the propellers, make sure to tighten the screws securely. We also offer 1 year of full coverage with our Bigly Care package, which gives you the ultimate peace of mind. Accidents, water damage, or even lost drone? No problem. With Bigly Care Refresh, we've got you covered for a full year.